Now we are going to study the topic is method of separating substance from mixture. Okay, method of separating substance from mixture. There are various methods for separating substance. Okay, so now you are studying the types of mixture. It is classified heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. So first we are studying the heterogeneous mixture. That mixtures here, first one, solid and solid, solid and solid. So method of separation, hand picking, sieving, winnowing, magnetic separation and sublimation. Okay, so what is called hand picking? Okay, now listen. First you are taking the mixture of vegetables and fruits. Okay, so it is easily picked from hand. It is called hand picking. Next one, sieving. Okay, so the dust particles are taken from flour. It is called sieving. Dust particles are taken from flour. It is called sieving. Okay, next one, winnowing. Okay, here listen. The farmer used the technique to separate husk from grains. It is called winnowing. The farmer used the technique to separate husk from grains. It is called winnowing. Next one, magnetic separation. If you have mixture of sand and iron filling, the iron filling is separated by use of magnet. It is called magnetic separation. Once again, if you have mixture of sand and iron filling, the iron filling is separated by use of magnet. It is called magnetic separation. Next one is sublimation. Sublimation already you are studying in 7th and 8th standard. Yes. Okay, so what is sublimation? Solid is directly converted to gas. It is called sublimation. Next, we are going to study the insoluble solid and liquid mixture you are taken. Okay, here 5 methods are using: sedimentation, decantation, loading, filtration, centrifugation. Okay, so first we are going to study the sedimentation. So we take sand mixed with water. Sand mixed with water. Okay. So it is easy to separate sand because it does not dissolve in water. It does not dissolve in water. Okay. So it is called sedimentation. Here the heavier components in a mixture is settled. Heavier components in a mixture is settled. It is called sedimentation. Okay. Next one, decantation. Decantation, the process of removed water above the sedimentation, it is called decantation. Okay, the process of removed water above the sedimentation is called decantation. Next one, loading. Okay, here motor is used. Here the motor is used. It is moving with high speed. Then it is separate the substance. Okay. Next one, filtration. Filtration. It is separation of impurities with the filter paper. Okay, this method is using to separate of impurities with the filter paper. Next method is centrifugation. Okay, so now you take solid and liquid mixture. So here one machine is used. That machine is centrifuge. What machine? Centrifuge. It is moving with high speed. Okay, so at a time the heavier particles comes down, the lighter particles are moves up. This method is called centrifugation. Next you are taken the 2 immiscible liquid. Okay, 2 immiscible liquid. What is immiscible? It is separate liquid from liquid. It is separate liquid from liquid. Okay, here the 2 liquids does not soluble with each other. 2 liquids does not soluble with each other. It is called immiscible. Okay, for best example is oil and water. Oil and water. So the 2 methods are using here: decantation and separating funnel. Okay, what is decantation? The process of removed water above the sedimentation is called decantation. Okay, so next one is separating funnel. Funnel is used to filtering the substance. Funnel is used to filtering the substance. Next we are going to study the homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. Here first one, soluble, solid and liquid. Soluble, solid and liquid. Here the three methods are using. First one evaporation, second one distillation, third one crystallization. Okay. Here what is evaporation? Now you are taking the salt and water. Salt and water. Then it is boiled. The solution is you are boiled. Okay. So what happened? The water is evaporated. The water is evaporated. Now we can see the water is evaporated. It is called evaporation. Okay. Next one is distillation. Here first you boil the water, then it is filtered. Then it is filtered. It is called distillation. Next one, crystallization. Okay. Now you boiling the water at a time, the vapor comes out. Vapor comes out. Then the vapor is deposit. It is converted to crystal. It is called crystallization. Okay. Next we are going to study two miscible liquid. Okay, two miscible liquid. What is called miscible? Two liquids are soluble with each other. It is called miscible. Okay. So example, ink in water. Ink in water. It is liquid from liquid. Both are liquid. Okay. So here listen. Only one method only using here, fractional distillation. What is fractional distillation? It is used to two or more miscible liquid is separated. Miscible liquid is separated. Example, petroleum and kerosene. Okay, so the petroleum and kerosene, these are separated with using this method. Okay, next one, solution of two or more solid in a liquid. Two or more solid in a liquid. Now, only one method is using chromatography. Okay, what is chromatography? It is a separation technique. It is one of the separation technique. It is used to the technique. It is used to separate different components of a mixture. Different components of a mixture. Okay, next class we are studying briefly the chromatography. Okay, thank you. Today class is over.